Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Task Manager shows 0% network usage. Open services. Open Diagnostic Policy Service, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.